Starting at number 1 is Runway ML, a sophisticated video and photo editing AI tool. If you are a content producer looking to speed up your editing process, or an aspiring business owner looking to create material without having to pay someone else, this is the tool for you. Here are some of the features available in Runway. It lets you submit photographs of yourself and get hundreds of versions, which is useful for making thumbnails. It lets you to rapidly eliminate the background of any photograph. With text to image, you simply feed it with some text, and it would generate an image. The option Image to Image allows you to change the still of the image, or can use it to enlarge the surroundings of an existing image. It also offers an option to remove any object or person from any video. Text to Color Grade is a tool that, by simply describing your needs in writing, you can color grade any video. This AI tool also can automatically cut any video into clips. If you think that's not enough, it can even perform audio tasks, such as removing background noise, shortening speech pauses, and even creating subtitles. Because they're continually introducing new features, it's a smart idea to have this tool on your radar. Then there's Copy AI. This is an all-purpose copywriting AI that will help you write and create content more quickly when you're stuck and unsure of what's right. It includes a ton of tools that can assist you. Let me show you how you can use Copy AI to compose a blog post or a script for a YouTube video. I'm going to click on Blog Post Wizard. That will take me to this page, which will assist me in creating an outline for my article. Then I will give a title to my blog. In this case, I will add Benefits of Running, and on the keyword section I would add Healthy, Running, and Eat Good. On the tone, I will select Friendly. This provides an outline for the work immediately. I can delete the ones I don't believe I'll need and reorganize them so that the flow of my article makes the most sense when I'm satisfied with the results. I can then click Generate Talking Points, which will break down each of these bullet points into much smaller points, providing us with more information. We can then instruct it to write full paragraphs using all of these talking points, which we can then manually tweak to our satisfaction. There are many more capabilities, such as their social media tools, which include a hook generator to assist you start your scripts and videos, a title generator to help you come up with titles for your videos and blogs, as well as a suite of brainstorming tools to help you produce ideas. If you're looking for work, there are even tools for creating cover letters. Now, let's go on. Number 3. Quillbot. This is a paraphrase of artificial intelligence, as it now exists in the educational system. Students are fast realizing that they can use AI to speed up their essays and projects. Teachers have, of course, attempted to strike back by employing AI detecting, which can recognize AI-generated text. This is when Quillbot enters the picture. It takes pre-existing sentences and rewrites them. So you can run anything you get in ChatGPT or copy AI through Quillbot to make it more difficult for your teacher to notice. We take some content written by ChatGPT, and, as you can see, if we submit it to an AI detection website, it states that the majority of the material was written by an AI. However, if you bring it into Quillbot and have it rewrite everything before putting it back into that website, it no longer becomes detectable. Now, I'm not recommending that you cheat on your homework. I believe that these resources should be used to merely expedite your job, or in cases of writer's block. In general, I feel that people who do not take advantage of AI tools will be left in the dust. Number 4. Assembly AI is the 4th AI tool on our list today. This is an AI that specializes in transcription of audio files. Not only that, but it can summarize the substance of the audio, which means it can assist you if you are a student. You can capture the audio of your lectures while in class or on a Zoom call, then send the files to Assembly, which will transcribe everything for you. This allows you to relax and concentrate better on what is in front of you in class. Assembly offers a few more capabilities, such as sentiment analysis, which can be useful for those of you who trade stocks. In the place number 5, we have Talk to Books, which is a Google AI. This is a useful tool for accelerating any research you need to complete. Alternatively, if you want to find solutions to any of your difficulties, simply input a question or phrase, and the AI will search its complete collection of books for any relevant sections. Here is a brief example. I'm going to ask it what's crypto, and it will immediately display me a page full with articles related to my query. Then, when you find a book you like, go ahead and select View in Book to learn more about the subject. As you can see, this significantly speeds up my research and idea generation processes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI-related content. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.